Viewers, someone asked me that why Amazon or PayPal, bigger companies, do not work in countries like Pakistan. What's the reason behind it? First of all, Amazon is working on this thing. They're planning to come to Pakistan. That is something good news for Pakistan. The reason why they do not come to Pakistan, there are mainly 6 factors based on which every country is evaluated before Amazon officially launches its services there. The first factor is network, the infrastructure, the 4G, the internet expansion and all these things. These things are getting better in Pakistan, so chances are that Amazon will come to Pakistan. The second thing which matters is the government support. How much government supports any company? Pakistani companies, Pakistani country and the minister, the government is realizing this thing that in order to provide our youth better opportunities, we need Amazon in Pakistan. So that is something which is also okay right now. The third thing is about that what is the refund policy? How is the situation of customer experience? So the refund policy, the customer experience is something which is not good in Pakistan, which is not good in developing countries in most of the cases, but it's getting better in Pakistan as there are many international companies such as Wimpelcom, China Mobile and Etisalat, Telenor Group. So things are getting better in Pakistan. So the third thing is also getting better. The fourth thing which Amazon mainly consider is the seller's mindset. What kind of mindset people have over there? What kind of mindset the sellers, those people who will sell things on Amazon. Somehow there are some companies in Pakistan, even Amazon is not officially working in Pakistan through some other means, through some illegal ways. They manage to kind of open companies in countries where Amazon is working. Unfortunately, this is the biggest problem. This can become the cause that Amazon even in 2020 and 2021 will delay its official work from Pakistan. So these companies can be the reason. However, on my Urdu channel, which is with the name of Mohammad Farooq Buzdar Urdu channel, I'm trying my best to convey my message to people of Pakistan that please stop giving attention to these fake companies which will eventually be the top reason of Amazon not coming to Pakistan. So that is the fourth reason. And the fifth reason is about the virtual assistants, the employees. Luckily in Pakistan people are using freelancing sites. They're getting better every day. So that market is already ready. And the fifth thing is that user readiness. Do they feel like that this e-commerce thing should be used? What is their training level? What is their kind of understanding level about e-commerce? That is also much better. So chances are that Amazon will come in Pakistan in coming future. But the best way would be that Pakistani people, or if you are watching it from Nigeria or any other country where Amazon is not available, please stop those scammers, those people who are doing fraud on a name of Amazon. Even though they know that Amazon is not officially working in your country, but they are somehow managing to make the sellers accounts and somehow they are earning through courses. And this becomes kind of creation of a fake mindset, of negative mindset. So Pakistan must get rid of this thing. And if you are watching from some other country and if you're a policy maker, then you must get rid of this seller's mindset. You must get rid of those companies which are promoting fake courses or fake sellers trainings. Thank you so much.